Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Today is December 9th, 2019. And messing with another motor here. Been kind of messing with it on and off the last few days. This one here is a 1955 Evinrude Fastwin 15 horse. This one is not mine, it belongs to another club member. Anyway, he brought it to me and asked me to reseal the gear case on it. Upon tearing the gear case apart, I found that the drive shaft seal was actually missing and the spaghetti seal and the skeg was missing. So I replaced all the seals. Put a new drive shaft seal in it, prop shaft seal, spaghetti seal, shift rod seal, put a water pump impeller in it, and we're giving it a run. He asked me to run it, dial in the carburetor, and so that's what I did. This is actually like a cold start, so I gotta have it choked, and we'll go ahead and give it a go. So this does not have the right prop on it. It has a prop on it from like an 18 or 20 horse, so it's not winding up all the way like it should. And the gas tank is empty. And reverse. So that'll do it on this one. Thank you for watching. I got lots of other motors to get done over the winter. Anyway, see you later.